Okay guys, something a little different, the Honda Accord project. 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. This is my daily commuter. So we're just doing some little things to it to make it our own. And we are installing the LED halogen downlights. So it should be good. Let's check it out. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and document this pretty simple install. It's pretty much what you'll need tool-wise. Anything. Doesn't have to be a three-way scraper. You need a pry bar. There's the new LED door light that's going to go in there. And you start by taking this piece off here for the mirror. Take that off. It just pops right out. There's two clips on the back. I'll show you those. They're literally, one of them goes in here, one goes in there. That's it. You pop it off. Don't be hard, but don't be too soft. It'll come off. You pop this piece that goes in here off. You just push this little tab into here. Pull it up. It'll come out. Try not to break the tab. There's two screws that goes into that hole. And one screw in there. That's the only thing that's screwing the door down. Everything else is a pressure clip. I started from the bottom here. Pried that corner up, work my way around. And I was going to take it all the way off, and I realized I don't have to. I could just access it without making any of this loose. So we'll keep this whole track in for this particular go around. And we should be able to just reach under there. Let me see if I can show you. We should be able to just reach under. Access the light. I've already popped the bulb out. The bulb goes into here. That little connector. Should take the bulb out. And the one that I got off of eBay is plug and play. So this plugs right into where the bulb was at. And it does work because I've already plugged it in to see. Oh, let's not forget this lens. Same thing. You just pry it off. Pops right out. You just hit the little grooves here. Hit the little grooves there, and it'll come out. You just pop that out, and you have access. Push the bulb in. Caught the harness down here. Took the bulb out. Ready to go. So now that we got the bulb out, we'll just feed this wire through the hole that was already in there from the previous light. Should just snap in. Okay, so I'm probably going to need two hands, but the gist of it is I'm going to hold it with one hand and push these tabs in, and it's going to pop right in. All right. So let's see if we can get it in. She's in. Done. And if that's in, this is just plug and play. I'll try to link the eBay. I've never done that because I'm old, but I'll try to link the eBay description of the product. There's no batteries involved. It's hardwired straight to the bulb. It's plug and play. We're just going to plug that into this. Now the wire's in. Power's on. Cord lights up. We'll check it out at nighttime too. But, so I snapped this piece back in already. And just go around the bottom all the way around the sides and make sure you just push it back in. I left this part set in for a reason. That way it wouldn't come off that track. But yeah. Oh, I would also say definitely plug the light in before you before you mount the whole fixture. Plug it in from the back while you still have access. That way you're not struggling trying to get the plug in into the outlet like I did. So we snapped that piece back on, just like you took it off. It literally just snaps on. And now we're going to put the screw in and those 2 screws back in.
I personally prefer the long screwdriver for this one. If you have it, use it. Obviously, it's not required. Once we're done with it. But it allows you to get past the door handle pretty easily.
Snug, not too tight. Don't want to crack nothing back there. And your door's on. Oh, let's pop that cover back in. Let's see. Should be fairly simple. This is all trial and error for me, so it's that simple. Door done. This is probably a 5-minute job. Okay, for this side, we're going to do the same thing. Just going to take this off. Just get a little bit of space in there. Try to work it out. It's going to take 2 hands, but you get the idea. You get behind there. I've made some space. I'm going to stick my 2 hands on it, pry it out without cracking it. And it won't be hard. It's pretty adorable. You got to be going crazy to crack it. That's out. And now we go for our tester. You're probably wondering why I had this. Is because it's the only thing I had readily available, small enough to just get behind that. Fairly easy. All the other stuff I pulled out was just too bulky. So we take that cover off. See, there's the 2 screws. Remove this rubber covering. And there's the other screw down there. Pop that out. I'm gonna break this loose. Same thing. All right, so we've removed this cover. We've removed that cover. Now we have access to those 2 screws. The screws there. This is how it works for a Honda.
I like the long screwdriver again because it gives me flexibility with the door handle. You don't have to have this one. You could use any one you want. You're just going to be fighting with the door a little bit more. So if you have this one, use it. Don't want to lose our screw. Then we'll take the one out of here.
And we're done with all the fasteners that requires to remove for the door panel. Everything else is a push in. So, all right, so we're gonna have to pop this cover off. This time we're gonna change the bulb before we put the full LED cover back on. So we'll get to it. All right, so to remove the door trim again, since I didn't show it, literally, you heard that, it just popped. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more room to work with. So I'm gonna pop another couple tabs. Get my hand under there, kind of work it. Boom. There we go. So the door's up enough. I'm gonna leave it on the top track. Just gonna deal with what we have here. My wonderful pocket knife that my mother-in-law got me. And I'm just getting it from the side. It's usually the trick with this one. Pop that. Pop that. Go to the top. Push down. It's out. And there's your light bulb. So I can literally just unplug it just like that. Let's go grab our plug and play unit from the trunk. Okay, so I got the unit. This is how it looks in the package. This is how it came, 2 of them. I only bought 2 because I wanted to be sure it worked. But it does. So that's the unit. That's the projector. It just shoots the hologram straight to the ground, and it plugs. You see this end is shaped just like the bulb end. Focus. There you go. It's shaped just like the end of the bulb. So I should be able to just plug this bad boy in. like such in theory. Let's bring it closer. Ooh, not too close. Not too close. Maybe bring you closer. So there's what we're doing. We're going to plug this right into there where the bulb goes. Let's get that in there. Up, there we go. Came on, just like that. Put it back together. I start from the bottom myself. What did I do last time? I used something metal. I used this to push those top clips in. Just one at a time. Push down. Push that clip in. Kind of work it in. It's kind of halfway in. A little more. Oh, she's ready to pop. Push down and in. That one wants to come out. Let's use two hands. There you go. She's in. Nice flush fit. No wires running. No wires, no batteries. It shuts off when the door closes. Plug and play. eBay special. I plugged the link. Honda Accord 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord door LED halogen light, logo light. And we'll check it out when it gets dark. Okay, here's the reveal. This is how it looks in the dark. Well, getting dark. Open the door, baby. Open the door so they can see the light. Pull it open. Oh, not bad. Let's go check at the other side. Boom, boom. Still got your light, courtesy light. What? Good job. Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
Here we go. There she goes. I appreciate you watching. Until the next time, Zed head out.